With the engine compartment and interior completely clean, perfected, and protected, we can move on to the wheels and wheel arches. Brian from Apex Detail here. Welcome back to the second video of the series. We are perfecting and protecting all surfaces on this M4 Stage 1 Dinan 2 548 horsepower BMW. Just an all-purpose cleaner coming out of the foamer, nothing really special needed. Agitate with a detailing brush, and since I'm inside, I'll rinse it with a rinseless wash and wipe it down. Those areas now squeaky clean, we can move to the wheels, clean the face of the wheel, flip it around, get the barrel of the wheel and the back of the spokes. I like to follow up with a panel prep right before protection. Just make sure there's no cleaner residue, fingerprints, or anything that will get in between the protectant and the surface of the wheel. The Angel Wax Enigma wheel and caliper coating is the protectant of choice for today's package. Let's get it on there. That's all there is to it. We're just going to repeat that process for all four wheels, calipers, and wheel arches. IGL Eclipse to protect everything in the wheel arches, and that will be sprayed on. Once I'm satisfied that I have either removed the imperfections completely or made a huge improvement, we can get to the next step. And before we move on to the next step, we'll get some measurements here. And we're going to be starting somewhere in the mid 90s. This vehicle is well taken care of, very minor swirling, if any, in some areas. So what we want to concentrate on is just bringing out the most gloss we can, and again, try to reach triple digits on the gloss meter when everything's said and done. Let's see what we can do. For this combination, we're going to use Extreme Solutions Finale, team it up with the Griot's Garage 21, and a light polishing pad. I love the challenge, of course, of trashed clear coat, trying to clear it up, but also the challenge of well taken care of clear coat to bring even more gloss out of the surface, bringing out reflection and clarity where others really would probably move on, put some protection on there, and send the car out. Not quite happy with the pad attached to the polisher, so I'll just quick swap one out, adjusting on the fly. This first section served as my test area, and it's exactly the way I want it to be, so we can keep this combination, this team, and get around the car. We want to brighten up the headlights, taillights, markers, and perfect every square inch of this car. That will take care of all painted surfaces, and that actually takes care of this video as well. We'll catch you in the next episode where we break out the protection. What will we choose? Stay tuned to find out.